Hello everyone and all the kids, if you're watching my video, I hope you all are doing very good. I am also doing fine. Okay, so today I am going to explain about an adverb. So as you all know that I am covering this week all the parts of speech. I have already explained to you noun, pronoun, verb and adjective. So today I'm going to explain an adverb. It is very simple. Actually, I am explaining this in very simple way because this video I'm making especially for kids for class 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can say that. Yeah. So stay tuned with my channel and do check all my videos, and I'm sure that you're gonna understand it in a very easy way. Okay. So kids, an adverb is a word that describes verb. You already know what is verb. I have told you verb is an action word. Verb is a doing word. Whatever you do, anything, that is a verb. Or whenever your body has a movement, whatever you do, that is also a verb. Like right now I'm speaking, you are listening, you are studying, you are walking, you are going somewhere. So everything is verb. Okay, sleeping, cooking, running, singing, dancing. So these are an example of verb. So an adverb always describes verb, means it tells more about verb. It gives you more idea and more description about a verb, that what verb is doing exactly, how a verb is giving you an action. Like for example, it tells verb like Ram rides a bicycle. So how adjective works here. Ram rides a bicycle slowly. So here slowly is an example of adverb. So it tells Ram rides bicycle. So rides is a verb here. So adverb tells you how Ram is riding bicycle. Ram rides bicycle slowly, right? So here it describes the verb that Ram rides bicycle slowly. Now another example. Meenu sings the song. Meenu sings the song. So sing is a verb here. So how Meenu sings the song? Maybe Meenu sings song sweetly. Meenu sings song loudly. Okay. So this sweetly, loudly, this is an example of adverb. Let's take another example. Rahim lives near my house. Where Rahim lives? Near my house. So near. So it also tells where he lives, near your house. So near is also an example of adverb, because adverb tells you in 3 ways how verb works. So an adverb tells you how verb works, when verb works and where verb works. Okay. So how I have already told you, ride a bicycle. How he rides a bicycle? Slowly, fastly. How Meenu sings a song? Sweetly, loudly. Okay. So these are an example. So now tomorrow my father will arrive. Okay. So what is adverb here? Tomorrow, because it says when. Okay. I have told you an adverb also tells when. Okay. When an action is done. Okay. So when father will arrive? Tomorrow. Next example is after. Okay. Like, so after example would be Samir is doing study. Okay. Samir is doing study after me. So Samir is doing study after me. So when Samir is doing study? After you. Okay. Now also adverb tells where the action is done. Maybe the action is done upstairs. Maybe the action is done anywhere, somewhere, here, there. So these are also an example of adverb. So it gives you idea where the verb is done, where the action has been done, and how the action is done, and when the action is done. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe near, maybe after. Okay, so these are the examples of adverbs. So it always describes, it always gives you more idea about verb. So you see also the words is similar, verb and adverb. So this adverb describes the verb. It gives more idea about a verb, that how the verb is doing action, when the verb is doing action, and where the verb is doing action. Maybe where means upstairs, anywhere, somewhere. Okay, and when would be today, tomorrow, yesterday, near, now, after. And how would be happily, quickly, sweetly, slowly. So okay, now did you notice that one word I am always using in adverb? Mostly I am using li. So yeah, how to get an adjective, how to get an adverb? It is very simple. You have already know about adjective. So adjective is a describing word. Okay, so mostly what you do, kids, write down all the adjectives in one line. Let's say column A. So how? Slow, happy, and sweet, honest, any kind of things, and just add ly at the end. You will get an adverb. I have also write it down somewhere. Let me see if I can see it. Yeah, I have got that. So you see it here. What did I write? Some adjectives. Okay, I have already mentioned adjectives, that is a describing word, right? You know already, adjective is a describing words. So it describes about noun and pronoun, how the noun looks like and what is the color of noun. Okay, like a black cat. Okay, so black is a describing word. Now she looks pretty, so pretty is a describing word. Okay, so all the colors, and whenever you are saying something about others, so that is also describing, like you describe something. Okay, so you see it, adverb. What did I do? I have add all the ly at the end. So that's how you get an adverb. Like happy becomes happily, sweet becomes sweetly, honest becomes honestly, and brave becomes bravely, slow becomes slowly. So there are a lot of examples you can also find in your textbook, in your grammar textbook, and you will get the more ideas. Okay, so upstairs, outside, these are also the examples, because what did I told you? An adverb also tell where the action has been done or where the action is done. So these are also an adverb. Tomorrow, near, before, today, now, after. You see that? Yeah, so you can also write it down somewhere. And also upstairs, here, outside. Okay, like Raman went upstairs to get his book. Raman went upstairs. So where Raman went? Upstairs to get his book. His book was kept outside. His book was kept outside. So where the book was kept? The book was kept outside. So that's also an example. So I hope you understand an adverb. So how adverb works, how the action is done, when the action is done, where the action is done, and other thing. And also the another way is an adverb explains or describe verb. It gives more idea about verb. So I hope you understand, and somehow I am able to make you understand what is an adverb. So children, you do check all your grammar book also. You will get more examples there. So thank you so much for watching my video, and do like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you again.